Alright guys, we're going to start the day off. Happy Friday to everybody. We got John here who's going to do 2015 UFC knockouts. Good luck. Threw a whole case of this yesterday fairly quickly. Oops. Alrighty, here we go. We pulled one yesterday. We pulled actually one of the ones out of 8. So definitely not impossible. We saw a pull here. I'm not sure if they run every case, but not impossible. Alrighty. 10 packs, 10 hits. Let's do it. Alright, start off with a Liz Cormucci relic autograph, number to 299. There's Miss Rousey right there, to 199. Man, she is scary. Would not want to mess with her. Demetrius Johnson, 2-color fight mat. It's numbered to 88. Fighter relic of Daniel Cormier, numbered to 188. And we've got an Anderson Silva, Chael Sonnen. Dynamic Duels. It's numbered to 188. Jessica Penne autograph. A Nick Lentz auto relic, number to 299. Ooh, nice. Oh, that is filthy. Number 2 of 25. GSP 3-color jumbo fight mat. Nice. That's awesome, John. Great piece right there, man. We have a Bobby Green relic autograph to 299. And this is a quad here. Let's see. Verdum, Miosic, Brown, and Barnett. Number to 50. And we'll finish last pack. Tyrone Woodley. Oh, 1 of 1. Nice. Tyrone Woodley, 1 of 1 autograph. Well, it didn't take us long to hit our first 1-on-1 of the day. John, congrats, man. Awesome box, and I'll get it right out to you. Later.